Many children, hey, myself included when I was a little kid, are very afraid of the dentist. Right. But there's one local man who's got an interesting way to help those kids to open up and say, ah.
Right, Fox 43's Melanie Gardner joining us with more from Lancaster County.
Well, howdy. Good morning. We are joining you this morning from the pediatric dentist who is also a cowboy. And I got to tell you, it's pretty easy to get caught up in the moment here. We've got our flashy rings, we've got our bracelets on, and wow, I'm the sheriff now, so look out. I got to ask you, Lexi, what was your first reaction when you walked in and you saw this room?
Well, I noticed that it's very cowboy-y. And
There's a lot of cowboy stuff, absolutely.
And it looks very fun.
All right. Is it pretty exciting to come and see something like this? This is not a normal dentist.
Yeah.
Definitely would keep you entertained for a little bit.
Uh-huh.
All right, thank you so much. And we actually have a cleaning going on over here. And wow. She's got her shades on. You've got your shields on.
It's really exciting. This is my toothbrush. Let me see your fingernail. Where'd it go? Which one? Show me. How many do we have? We have 7 over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is this a manicure or a dental visit?
Oh, this is a manicure over here. We're counting fingernails.
Perfect. I'm next.
That's her finger. That's her. I like my French fries line. That one says my sister bothers me sometimes. Let's brush teeth. Open so I can see, cutie pie. Oh, this is great. It's like a can over here. It's like a can opener. Everyone wears sunglasses. That way you look really cool. I heard it was your birthday today because Mom tells me that every time you come in, it's your birthday. Isn't that right? Right. That's what I thought. You were doing very well. This is brushing teeth and making sure that there's no broccoli or cauliflower in here because sometimes there's broccoli in here and Mom asks me, hey, is this my cooking or your cooking? I say, this is my cooking. This is called verbal distraction. It means absolutely nothing. We just talk to them the whole time. They say, what just happened today? This is our favorite toothpaste. It's bull tongue today. Is that okay with you?
It's what?
Bull tongue. We have bull tongue toothpaste.
Bull tongue toothpaste.
It was either that or pickled pig's feet or bubble gum. You didn't want the bubble gum.
My crest seems so boring now.
You didn't want the bubble gum. Okay, great. You're doing really well. Let's brush over here and make sure.
It's just all about distraction.
All about distraction. We have ceilings that have some fish up there, you know, and there's a seahorse up there because you see the horse. He's riding a sea cowboy.
I see.
See,
I
there
see.
you go. See, I see. Didn't know that, did you? You're doing very well.
She's just like, what is going on? So it's all about a cowboy theme here, and the point is just to sort of engage the kids in thinking about something else other than the fact that they're at a dentist, which could be a little bit scary sometimes.
Oh, the plan here is we are different than any place you've ever been, I promise.
I can attest for that because I've never been to a dentist with a blinky ring before. All right. Coming up in just a little while, we've got more kids. I'm going to take a ride on this horse. One of these days, I'm going to get to ride this thing. So maybe we'll do that coming up on Fox 43 Morning News.
Oh my gosh.
That's what I was hoping. That's why I send Melanie to these stories so she can get dressed up in costume and ride ponies.
After all those peeps and Cadbury eggs, we all know it's time to start flossing, especially our kids, right?
Oh, yeah, but teaching the little ones isn't always so easy.
No.
So Fox 43's Melanie Gardner getting us some ideas from a kid-friendly dentist in Lancaster.
All local, all morning. Your day begins with Fox 43 Morning News.
Well, there's a fun way for your kids to open up wide. There's a Dr. Miller in Lancaster County, and he has a different approach to teeth cleaning.
Yeah, Fox 43's Melanie Gardner is joining us from his office in Lancaster County this morning.
Hey there, guys. This morning we are bringing you a whole different kind of dentistry. We're in Lancaster County with Dr. Aaron Miller, and this is cowboy dentistry? What's going on here?
We are pediatric cowboy dentists. I work with my father, Stephen Miller, and we have children that come into our office, and the goal is to care for children, treat teeth, and have them in a non-stressful environment so they can do things like ride the pony.
Oh my, hang on there, kid.
One hand over your head. Can you do that? One hand? Woo!
Yeehaw!
Not bad.
Well, Cody, let me ask you, what do you like about being a cowboy?
Because you can ride horses and you can do whatever you want.
Wow, he's a wild cowboy. He gets to do whatever he wants. That is awesome. And he's got, are those steel tips on his boots? Got steel tips on those boots? I thought I saw them down there.
Those are steel tips. These are pretty cool. I don't know if you can see them, but Cody always wears his cowboy boots every time when he comes into our office.
Nice. Check that out. And I do have to give you guys a props for the bling.
Oh, yes. Every child gets something when they leave, and these are really fancy. Some of these rings actually are magical, and you can actually see them. You blow right here, and you don't know where it is, except it comes right back behind your ear. Anything else back there I should be aware of? Okay.
Well, let me ask you this. You do educate your kids when they come in as well.
Right. We talk about good and bad snacks, and actually, right over here, we have a good and bad snack list that every patient gets when they come in for their cleaning visit, and it talks about good snacks, bad snacks on the back. It has cereals with low in sugar, high in sugar, and things like high C, fruit punch, Kool-Aid, soda, iced tea, chocolate milk, and lemonade actually cause holes in teeth. They're going to have chocolate milk. It shouldn't be every day at school. It should be once in a while, and frequency is what causes cavities, not the amount.
All right, well, let's look back here. You've got fruit roll-ups, good or bad?
These are bad snacks because they're sticky.
Oh, no.
Sticky is icky, gummy is crummy. Cody, good or bad? What do you think? Bad.
Wow.
We like Kicks and Cheerios are our friends. Lucky Charms, things with marshmallows. Camping, not so much for breakfast cereals.
Wow, I'm in trouble. I'm going to have to take a copy of this. Thank you very much because, oh, man, everything I have is on this list. All right. Well, we're going to keep looking at this, and we're going to bring you more from the Cowboy Dentistry here in Lancaster County coming up on Fox 43 Morning News. Woo! You keep scaring